Hold up, Apple just flipped the script again. The iPhone 16 isn't just a phone, it's a whole new era. A full-screen design, next-gen AI, and features we've never seen before. You ready for this? First off, the design. The iPhone 16 ditches the notch completely. It's got Apple's first under-display Face ID and front camera. The screen, all screen, with nearly invisible bezels, and a 6.9-inch ProMotion OLED that's brighter and smoother than ever. This thing's a beast. It runs on the new A18 Pro chip, which means zero lag, whether you're gaming, editing 4K, or running AI tools. The camera system, fully AI powered. Photos look better than ever with real-time scene detection, sharper night shots, and next-level portrait mode. And yeah, the battery's insane, up to 30 hours of use. Apple's added touch-sensitive side controls you can customize, plus satellite connectivity in case you're off the grid. It's built for everyday power and emergency peace of mind. The iPhone 16 is more than an upgrade. It's a whole new vibe with cutting-edge design, smart features, and next-level power. It's the future in your hand. Hit like, smash subscribe, and let us know. Are you upgrading to the iPhone 16?